Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Otter AI in 2025, one of the best AI-powered transcription tools for meetings, lectures, and interviews. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. 1. Get started with Otter AI. Go to otter.ai and otter.ai and sign up for a free or premium account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can start transcribing instantly. 2. Upload or record audio. Click Record to capture live conversations. Upload an existing audio or video file to generate transcripts. Use the Otter Assistant to join and transcribe Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams meetings automatically. 3. Edit and organize your transcripts. Otter AI automatically transcribes your audio in real time. After transcription, click on any word to edit mistakes. Add speaker labels to organize conversations. Highlight key points and insert comments. 4. Share and collaborate. Share transcripts with team members or clients. Export transcripts in TXT, DocX, PDF, or SRT formats for easy use. Sync Otter AI with Dropbox, Zoom, or Google Drive for automatic storage. 5. Use AI-powered summaries. Otter AI now provides automated meeting summaries, making it easy to generate action points, identify key topics, get a quick recap without reading the full transcript. 6. Optimize for better accuracy. Use a good microphone to capture clear audio. Speak clearly and slowly for better transcription quality. Train Otter AI by adding custom vocabulary for industry-specific terms. That's it. You now know how to use Otter AI in 2025 to boost productivity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.